So today I am going to review and show you the demo of these two products of NYX, that is NYX foundation and NYX Wonder Stick. So let's get started with the video. So this is what foundation looks like, and it is in this shade. So here they have written NYX Stay Matte but Not Flat Liquid Foundation, and there is in some other language, I don't know what it is. Okay, so after that it is written over here oil free, water based, full coverage, mineral enriched matte finish, and it is 35 ml. And behind they have written SMF06 medium beige, and they have given the ingredients. And this costed me around 900 rupees from Nykaa. I purchased it from Nykaa, and it is a perfect shade for me. And it is very pretty packaging. It is like very travel friendly. You can put it in your bag and go anywhere carefree, and you can touch up whenever you want, because it is not something with glass or something like Fit Me foundation. Fit Me foundation bothers me because it is of glass. This doesn't bother me if I put it in bag and go anywhere. So for 900 rupees we are getting 35 ml of product, but I feel it is a bit on expensive side, but it is worth, because I use this foundation almost every time nowadays, because I can carry it in my bag. So I take it in my bag and apply it whenever I want. And because Fit Me foundation, I can't carry it in my bag because it is made of glass, so I can't carry it with me, so I carry this only. So that's why it's worth buying and it's worth trying. I just love it. And NYX is a very good and a very like high end brand, I feel sometimes, because it's a very good product, and it has a fragrance also. I can't tell you the fragrance because I'm very bad at telling the fragrance, which fragrance it is, but it has a fragrance which is pretty good. It is really good, but when we apply it there is no fragrance. When I applied it I could not smell anything. When I saw the smell of it like from my nose like this, then I came to know that it has fragrance. Otherwise I did not know at all that there is some fragrance in it. So that's it about this product. Now we'll move on to the other product. So this is the next product, that is NYX Wonder Stick. It is in the shade. So here they have written NYX Wonder Stick highlight and contour stick, and this is the highlight and this is the contour. And here they have given the like what we say pictorial instructions of applying highlight and contour on our face with this Wonder Stick. And here at the back side they have given NYX, the shade name and number is there, that is WS03 deep profound highlight and contour. And they have written here below highlight stick enhances and maximizes features, and contour stick creates depth and definition. And ingredients have been given here, and they have written 18 months after we open the stick. And here it is also given cruelty free. So yeah, here they have written here they have given the instructions in written, like step 1, apply highlight stick on cheekbones, middle of forehead, under eyes, down the center of your nose, on the brow bone and along the jawline. Apply step 2, apply contour stick on to top of forehead, along hairline, under cheekbones, down both sides of your nose and under the jawline and chin. Step 3, blend. Okay, they have given it. And after we open this we get the product, this one. So here they have written NYX Wonder Stick. So after we open this is the highlighter, and after we open this below, this is the contour. I'll show in demo that how I use this NYX Wonder Stick for highlighting and contouring, so you can have a look at it. So I bought it from Amazon for rupees 720, I guess. Yeah, 720. So sorry, because I was remembering the cost, I just forgot it almost it was about 720 750, but I guess it was 720. I'll link it down below from where I've purchased in Amazon, okay, on Amazon. So don't worry about the prices. So for 720 we are getting for 4 grams each, like this is 4 grams, this is 4 grams, so total is 8 grams. So this is also quite expensive like that, but it's very easy. Like when I started using this product for contouring and highlighting, it made my contouring and highlighting routine very easy. Like we have to just apply it like this, and it's done. It's so easy to apply, like literally it's very easy to apply, and it's travel friendly also. You can put it in your bag and go carefree, and it is so easy to do contour and highlight on the go. It's very easy. So I just love this product. I just love this NYX Wonder Stick. I just love it a lot. And there is a very mild fragrance which you can't even smell when you'll apply it. You just need to smell it, like how I smelled this NYX Stay Matte but Not Flat foundation, similar to that one. So there is no fragrance, so you don't need to worry before buying this product. And I purchased this product online, and it is a perfect shade of contour and highlight for me. All in all, these both products are worth buying, and they're just lovely. It has made my highlighting and contouring routine very easy. I just feel so happy to do contouring and highlight. Otherwise I'm very lazy in doing highlighting and contouring. So that's it about the review of the products, guys. Now just let's get into the demo of these both products.
So here I'm taking the foundation on back of my hand and dotting it all over my face and also my neck. Now I'm taking this Real Techniques brush for blending the foundation all over my face and neck. So as you can see, this shade matches me perfectly. It seems that it's my skin only. It's so perfect shade for me. And also I have used this foundation in my makeup tutorial of Valentine's Day, which I'll put in the end of the video somewhere on the screen, on the video I mean to say. In that video I have applied it with oval brush, so you can have a look at the video so that you'll come to know how I have applied that with the oval brush, because it has applied with the oval brush also so perfectly, so seamlessly, that you will love this foundation. Believe me guys, you'll love it. Now I'm taking this NYX Wonder Stick for contouring my face. So I'm applying the contour on the usual areas such as under cheekbones, jawline, chin, both sides of the nose, also forehead. Now I'm blending it with the beauty blender. So easy to contour with this contour stick. You just need to apply it on the desired areas. No need to take a brush or anything. You just need to apply with that stick only, and you can do contouring. And when it comes to contouring and highlighting, as I told, I am very lazy at it. I don't take a brush, I don't do a contouring, I don't do highlighting many times. So that's why this stick has made my contouring and highlighting routine very easy. I have used this NYX Wonder Stick for highlighting and contouring in my Valentine Day makeup look tutorial, and also I have used it in easy makeup tutorial for beginners, so you can check out those two videos also if you want to. Now I am using this Wonder Stick for highlighting on the usual areas like cheekbones, on cheekbones, then middle of forehead, center of the nose, cupid's bow, and as usual taking the beauty blender and blending it on my face. And you can have a look that both the highlighter and the contour matches my skin perfectly. Maybe they are made for me or I am made for them, I don't know guys, but I just love this highlighter and contour stick, that is I mean to say Wonder Stick, a lot. So I'll put those two videos at the end somewhere on the screen, so you can just check out those two videos also if you want to.
So if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button below, comment and also share this video, and also follow me on all my social medias because I'm very active over there. The links will be given in the description box, so go check out and follow me over there. And that's it guys. So love you my pretty girl. Bye bye.